Welcome to obliga.com. In this video we will see how to send bulk SMS in Obliga platform. Log in your account on Obliga. After login, you will see menu on left hand of your screen. Go to Message Manager. Click on Send Message, from where we have to compose SMS. As you have already added sender ID, so it is displaying in sender ID option. Now we will send SMS via that sender ID to our recipient's number. Scroll down. In message content, enter your message which you want to send, which should be either typed or either pasted from notepad. Please do not paste content directly from Webpage. After you paste your content in message box, you can see the characters count and message count. Scroll down now. Go to Contact option. Enter your 10-digit mobile numbers one below another. You can directly paste your numbers from Notepad or Excel in this box. Do not uncheck the Remove Duplicate Mobile Number option, as it will auto-delete the duplicate numbers. Below that, you will see Send Schedule SMS option, from where you can select the particular date and time for scheduling your message. If you want to send it right now, then do not select Send Schedule SMS option. Now click on Submit. You will see Preview, in which currently, it is showing that our message content is containing a spam word that is pending. So we have to change that word. Click on Submit button. Wow, it's okay now, and in the preview, you can see all details about your message campaign. If it is okay, then click on Continue Submit. Your SMS are successfully sent. Now let's see the delivery report of the message. Click on Delivery Report option under Message Manager. Here you will see your latest campaign sent report on the top of the table. Currently message report is showing operator delivered. Means it is sent on operator end, but report is not been confirmed from operators. So wait for 12 hours for confirming proper delivery report. You can also see a reschedule option, by which you can send again the same messages to same numbers, by clicking on it. After some time we have refreshed again the report, and see now report is showing status. For details of all status we have mentioned a link in description of this video. Awesome, you have learned how to send bulk SMS on Obliga platform. Now check next video for further use. Thanks for watching video, have a nice time.